Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji More and today I am talking about Java string, and today's date is 27 December 2021. So let's first what is a string? What is a string in Java? Java string are object that allows to store sequence of character which may contain alphanumeric values enclosed in double quotes. Uh, Note now. First point is strings are immutable in Java. Second is it contains methods that can performs uh, it contains methods that can perform certain operations on strings, that is concat, equals, length, etc. String in Java is a non-primitive data type because it refers to an object. A string is a combination of letters, numbers, special characters, and arithmetic values. So next point is how to create a string object. There are two ways to create a string object. First is by string literal. Second is by new keyword. First is uh, by string literal. We create a string literal by using double quotes. We create string literal. The Java virtual machine store it in string constant pool, that is ACP, inside the heap memory. Next time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. If the string is already exist in the pool, uh, it doesn't create a new instance. For example, string yes is equal to double quotes welcome. If only one object if one if only one object will be created, first JVM will not find any string object with the value welcome in string constant pool. That is why it will create a new object. After that it will find the string with the value welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but will return the reference to the same instance. Why uses why Java uses the concept of string literal to make Java more memory efficient, because no new no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constant pool. The second way is by new keyword. String yes is equal to new string, in bracket double quotes welcome, uh, c- that create two objects and one reference variable. JVM will create a new string object in normal heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string. Constant pool, the variable yes will refers to the object on the variable yes is refers to the object in heap. Thank you friends.